Did you know that over 1 billion people worldwide suffer from nerve damage? Whether it's due to diabetes, injuries, or chronic conditions, nerve pain and damage can feel like a never-ending battle. But what if the solution could be as simple as something you drink every day? What if I told you there are drinks backed by research that can actually help repair damaged nerves and relieve pain? Curious to know which ones? In this video, we'll uncover 6 powerful drinks proven to support nerve health and repair. And trust me, you don't want to miss number 5. We'll also dive into how much you should be drinking, how long it takes to see results, and exactly how to include them in your daily routine. So if you or someone you love is dealing with nerve pain, watch till the end, because these drinks might be the game changer you've been looking for. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. All right, let's dive into the top drinks that can help repair nerve damage, starting with number 1. Ashwagandha Tea. Ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogenic herb, has been widely researched for its neuroprotective and nerve-regenerating properties. One of the key phytochemicals in ashwagandha is withanolides, particularly withaferin A, which has been shown to reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and promote the repair of damaged nerve cells. Alkaloids and saponins in ashwagandha also play a role in protecting neurons from degeneration and encouraging regrowth. A 2024 study published in Plants demonstrated that ashwagandha extracts promoted axonal regeneration and reduced neuron loss in models of nerve injury. The study emphasized how the herb influences cellular pathways like nerve growth factor and brain-derived neurotrophic factor, both critical in nerve repair and the development of new neural connections. For optimal results, consuming 1 to 2 cups of ashwagandha tea daily, made from 1 teaspoon of powdered root or 1 tea bag, may help. It's recommended to consume it for at least 8 to 12 weeks to observe improvements in nerve health. To prepare, steep the powder or tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and consider adding honey or lemon for flavor. Next, number 2. Turmeric Tea. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has shown promising neuroprotective effects in research, particularly in its ability to repair nerve damage. Curcumin works by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major factors contributing to nerve injury. A 2022 study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences demonstrated that curcumin can enhance the regeneration of peripheral nerves by promoting the production of neurotrophic factors, proteins essential for neuron growth and survival. The process is driven by curcumin's interaction with multiple signaling pathways, including the NRF2 pathway, which regulates antioxidant defenses. In addition to curcumin, other phytochemicals in turmeric, such as dimethoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin, contribute to these neuroprotective effects. These compounds collectively decrease pro-inflammatory cytokines and promote the repair of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves that often deteriorates in conditions like neuropathy. For optimal benefits, turmeric tea can be consumed daily. A typical dosage involves 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder per cup of water. Adding black pepper piperine enhances curcumin absorption. Boil for 10 minutes and drink 1 to 2 cups daily. It may take several weeks to notice improvements, but it's generally safe for long-term use under medical supervision. Next, number 3, Ginseng Tea. Panax ginseng, a traditional medicinal herb, has shown significant potential in repairing nerve damage due to its neuroprotective properties. Key phytochemicals in ginseng, known as ginsenosides, play a crucial role in this process. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to nerve damage. In particular, ginsenosides like RB1, RG1, and RD are known for promoting nerve regeneration and reducing cell death in damaged neurons. A 2024 study published in Advanced Science highlighted that ginsenoside RG1 could enhance the repair of peripheral nerves in animal models by stimulating the growth of axons and improving functional recovery. Additionally, ginseng's ability to modulate immune responses helps to create a more favorable environment for nerve healing by reducing harmful inflammatory pathways. To support nerve health with ginseng tea, it's recommended to take around 1 to 3 grams of dry ginseng root per day, prepared by steeping in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. It may take several weeks to months of consistent use to notice significant improvements. Consulting with a healthcare provider before starting long-term use is advisable, especially if other medications are involved. Next, number 4, chamomile tea. The neuroprotective properties of chamomile stem from its rich content of flavonoids, particularly apigenin, luteolin, and quercetin, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in nerve damage. Apigenin, in particular, interacts with the central nervous system to provide calming effects and reduce inflammation in the nerves, promoting regeneration. A 2023 study published in Molecules highlighted chamomile's potential for treating nerve injuries. The study demonstrated that apigenin not only reduced neuropathic pain, but also promoted nerve regeneration in animal models, making it a promising candidate for peripheral nerve damage treatment. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects help reduce the nerve damage caused by oxidative stress, creating an environment conducive to healing. For nerve repair, it's recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups of chamomile tea daily. To prepare, steep 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers, or a chamomile tea bag, in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. For nerve recovery, consistent use for at least 8 to 12 weeks may be necessary to observe the benefits, but long-term consumption is generally considered safe. Next, number 5, saffron tea. Known for its rich phytochemical content, saffron has shown potential in aiding nerve repair due to the presence of active compounds like crocin, quercetin, and safranal. These bioactive molecules are powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, which help combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to nerve damage. Oxidative stress often impairs the ability of nerves to heal, but saffron's antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting nerve cells and promoting regeneration. A 2016 study published in the Iranian Journal of Pharmaceutical Research specifically investigated the effects of crocin on nerve damage. The research highlighted how crocin enhanced neurogenesis, the growth and repair of nerve cells, by modulating pathways related to inflammation and oxidative stress. Safranal, another key compound in saffron, has demonstrated neuroprotective effects by reducing inflammation in neural tissues, which can alleviate neuropathic pain and support the recovery of damaged nerves. For potential benefits, saffron tea can be prepared by steeping a pinch, about 0.1 to 0.2 grams, of saffron threads in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Consuming this once daily is recommended. Consistent use over a few months, 8 to 12 weeks, may yield noticeable improvements in nerve health, but it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Next, number 6, blueberry smoothie, rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals. Blueberries have shown potential in supporting nerve repair through multiple mechanisms. The neuroprotective properties of blueberries are largely attributed to compounds such as anthocyanins, quercetin, and resveratrol, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to nerve damage. By scavenging free radicals, these antioxidants protect neurons from further damage and create a conducive environment for nerve regeneration. A 2023 study published in Journal of Chemical Neuroanatomy found that anthocyanin-rich blueberry extract significantly improved nerve regeneration in animal models of peripheral neuropathy. The study highlighted that anthocyanins reduce neuroinflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines and modulating pathways such as NF-kappa B, which are involved in cellular repair processes. In addition to neuroprotection, blueberries enhance cognitive function and promote better blood flow to the nervous system, which supports nutrient delivery for nerve recovery. Consuming a blueberry smoothie daily, particularly in a serving size of 1 to 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries, can help support nerve health over time. It is recommended to incorporate this smoothie regularly for at least 8 to 12 weeks to observe potential improvements. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found these drinks to be helpful in supporting nerve repair. Now it's your turn. Are you already taking any of these drinks? If yes, have you noticed any improvements in your nerve health? Or maybe you know of a superfood that helps repair nerve damage? We'd love to hear your experience, so share it in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, then kindly type yes in the comment box. That really motivates us to create more valuable content like this for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips and natural remedies. See you next time.